To get started, launch the YouTube app on your TV. Go to Settings, and then find Link with TV Code. You should see a blue TV code appear on your screen. Now it's time to grab your phone, tablet, or computer to move on to the next steps. If you're on a phone or tablet, open the YouTube app. Tap your account icon and then tap Settings. Now select Watch on TV. Under the Link with TV Code section, tap Enter TV Code. Take the blue TV code and enter it on your phone or tablet. If you're on your computer, just visit youtube.com/pair. Look for the blue TV code that appears on your TV and enter it in the Link with TV Code section. Finally, click Add this TV. You can now use your phone, tablet, or computer to control your YouTube experience on TV. And that's it! Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.